And now let's test the HP31D, the AI noise cancelling feature. So as you can see, the microphone actually is working pretty well. Also, I'm going to switch from HP31D to my horizontal KM2 so you can see the difference of this AI noise cancelling microphone. There's a bit of noise from my mobile phone, so you can see the difference. So that's why I did that, just to test the noise cancelling features. Also, I'm going to press the mute button right now. Back, there's a small prompt in my ears, mute on and mute off. So you'll know that the mute on is activated when you press the button. Also, the boom arm is flexible, so you can move it to any direction. And also, you can flip it from other side, so you can wear the headset from left or right. So I can easily flip the headset to any direction I want. This is great. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the HP31D microphone quality?